Welcome back, folks. Today, we have an exciting video in store for you. We'll be doing a Surfshark VPN review and uncovering all its fantastic features, speeds, and security. Before we dive into the video, we put links in the description below for special offers and discounts Surfshark has for you. Now, let's get into it. Surfshark VPN has been making waves in the virtual private network market, and for all the right reasons. It offers an impressive range of features that will surely grab your attention. Firstly, when it comes to security, Surfshark VPN goes the extra mile. It offers top-notch encryption, guaranteeing the privacy and security of your online activities. By implementing powerful AES-256 GCM encryption, Surfshark VPN ensures that your valuable data remains shielded from unauthorized access. Rest assured, your online privacy is in good hands. Alongside robust encryption, it also has a strict no-logs policy, meaning it doesn't keep any records of your online activities. In terms of settings, it has a clean web feature, which you can switch on to enjoy a secure browsing experience by eliminating malicious ads and avoiding malware-infected websites. Also, there's a kill switch that ensures your internet connection is instantly secure if the VPN connection drops, preventing any data leaks. Surfshark offers an exciting multi-hop feature that enhances your privacy by connecting you through two servers, providing double the protection, especially if you want added security within your own country. However, it's important to note that if you're simply browsing the internet casually, using a single VPN is sufficient. If you're streaming content, enabling multi-hop may slightly impact your connection speed due to the routing process. Aside from no information collection and total leak protection, a premium VPN like Surfshark VPN offers connections to unlimited devices. It is compatible with various devices and operating systems like Windows, macOS, Android, and iOS, among others. They even offer browser extensions, making it easy to secure your online activities no matter where you are. Now, are you into gaming and streaming? Well, Surfshark VPN has something special for you too. It not only enhances your security but also optimizes your gaming and streaming experience. By connecting to 3,200+ server networks spread across 100 countries, you can say goodbye to lags and buffering. Also, by connecting to Surfshark's servers in different locations, you can access content that may be restricted or unavailable in your region, especially when you're on travel mode. However, it's important to remember that Surfshark strictly prohibits any illegal activities, such as unauthorized downloading or sharing of copyrighted content. It is crucial to respect intellectual property rights and abide by the legal requirements of your country. To ensure a seamless streaming and gaming experience with Surfshark, we recommend having valid subscriptions to the region-specific streaming services and gaming platforms you wish to access. Surfshark serves as a tool to bypass regional restrictions, but it does not provide access to content without the necessary subscriptions. In terms of speeds, Surfshark VPN doesn't disappoint. Its network is built with speed in mind, ensuring minimal impact on your internet connection. So, whether you're downloading large files, streaming your favorite shows on Netflix, Hulu, or Disney+, or engaging in intense online gaming like Fortnite and Call of Duty, Surfshark VPN won't slow you down. Comparing Surfshark VPN with other leading VPN providers, Surfshark steps up its game with extra features like a data breach monitoring tool, antivirus, private search service, and ad blocker. These allow you to scan viruses, hide your data from search engines, get real-time alerts for data breaches, and more. You can get all these advanced features with the Surfshark One product. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Is Surfshark VPN worth the investment? Well, with its impressive features, cross-platform compatibility, excellent speeds, and robust security measures, Surfshark VPN is a solid choice for anyone looking to secure their online activities and unlock a whole new level of internet freedom. Surfshark is one of the most affordable VPN providers on the market, and they offer a 30-day money-back guarantee. You can try out their service risk-free and decide for yourself if it meets your expectations. If you're unhappy with the service, you can easily chat with their 24/7 customer support to request a refund. That wraps up our Surfshark VPN review. If you're ready to take the leap, click the links in the description below for special offers and discounts from Surfshark VPN. And don't forget to let us know in the comments about your experience with Surfshark VPN or any questions you might have. Like and subscribe for more videos. Until next time, happy browsing!